For 17,000 New Zealand dairy farmers, it's hard yakka, but they love it.
I never ever dreamed that I would ever be running a multi-million-dollar business. And I can, and I am.
It's just a terrific lifestyle on what we want to do, and it gets you out of that 8 to 5 in an office job.
As you can see, this is my office. You know, take a look around, these are the pictures on my wall.
Is the pleasure of being answerable really only to yourself, the weatherman and perhaps the bank manager.
It's challenging, it's hard work, but it's very, very satisfying.
It is the most rewarding thing I have ever done.
I just love it, and I just love working with my guys. That's my favourite.
Our dairy industry earns around $7 billion a year. That's good for all of us.
The importance of dairying is huge locally. It's important from an export point of view, and it's important in its local size.
You know, the dairy industry in itself does generate a lot of income for the country.
And it employs a lot of people, both on farm, but also in downstream industries.
The local engineers, the tractor agents, the contractors, they come in and do the solids.
It's a huge employer in New Zealand, and it brings an awful lot of money into the economy.
Dairy industry supply 7% of the national GDP.
And it's a vibrant, growing industry.
Dairy products sell worldwide.
It's huge.
New Zealand dairy farmers are some of the world's best, no doubt about it.
Farmers, once upon a time, didn't need to be high-tech people, but really they do now.
The milking machines have changed where you can monitor what your somatic cells are doing on individual cows.
We have to know how pumps work, how irrigators work.
Taking the soil temperature so you know when the grass starts to grow.
Animal breeding and using DNA testing around plant breeding, about how we feed the animals.
Every aspect from looking after the cows to the staff to management decisions is all high-tech.
We have to compete in the world market, and to compete in the world market we really have to use those technologies to keep cutting edge.
For 17,000 New Zealand dairy farmers, it's hard yakka, but they love it.
I've been farming for a long time. I've been farming on this farm for 32 years.
I believe I was born to be a farmer.
Farming's just a great lifestyle. It's something that I grew up with. I used to go out and get the cows and calves in when I was little for the fun of it, and now I get paid to do it.
I enjoy milking cows, always have, and there are a lot of challenges in farming.
You never get up every morning and think it's going to be exactly the same.
That's what makes it so interesting, is it's always different.
Dairy farming is a great business. It's a great lifestyle, it's great to be involved in. It's an industry going places. I think it's got a huge future.
I really love farming. It is so much fun.